The wind whispered tales of a bygone era as it rustled through the newly planted vegetation. This house wasn't born on pristine land. It rose from the ashes, quite literally, of a banana farm that had ravaged the earth. Regeneration was at the heart of this project, a commitment that went beyond aesthetics. The home, perched on the precipice of a volcanic depression, would eventually be swallowed by a verdant canopy, a testament to the land's healing power. Location was everything. The house, a modern marvel crafted from brass, concrete, and local blackbutt, clung to the north face of the Tweed Caldera, its gaze fixed on the panoramic vista of the Byron Hinterland. But this exposed position demanded respect for nature's fury. A solution bloomed, a sheltered oasis courtyard, the beating heart of the residents. From here, the transparent outer shell offered a breathtaking panorama, a constant dialogue between human creation and raw beauty. Privacy, however, was not sacrificed on the altar of openness. The courtyard, a vibrant social hub, discreetly concealed the private spaces clad in blackbutt. Tucked away on the eastern edge, bathed in the warm embrace of the morning sun, lay an additional outdoor haven, an invitation to fully immerse oneself in the property's embrace. Function dictated form. Though designed primarily as a one-bedroom haven, the house held the potential for expansion. 2 guest suites, discreetly tucked away along a cloister that encircled the courtyard, could be activated as needed. A laundry room, powder room, and a refreshing pool completed the picture of comfortable living. But true luxury lay in the approach. Cars were relegated to a detached carport/office complex, a physical and mental separation between work and leisure. As residents and guests made their way on foot, the house slowly unveiled itself. The expansive northern vista unfolded, culminating in the dramatic concertinaed brass entrance, a promise of a life lived in harmony with nature's grandeur. The cantilevered concrete slab, a marvel of modern engineering, hinted at its future transformation, a seemingly weightless platform floating above a tapestry of verdant life. This house wasn't just a structure, it was a testament to thoughtful design, respect for the environment, and a celebration of life's simple pleasures. Thanks for joining me on this tour of this incredible home. If you'd like to learn more about the architecture or sustainable features used, I've left some links in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Let me know in the comments what you think about this unique design.